This is an orientation to get you up and running with your learning management system. It doesn't matter if you're using Michigan Virtual Learning, Lincoln Learning, Pulse, Accelerate, what have you. Most of these learning management systems are built to look very similar. So once you master one, you'll master most. The best thing to do is start with that student orientation course that you have or should have in your course load. If you don't have that, most of the content in this video or in this orientation can be located in the tutorials section of your learning management system, and I'll show you how to get there momentarily. If you click the triple line up there on the left, and you will see a menu, and tutorials is one of the options. Handy way to just kind of quickly navigate in case you're struggling with something. That is the way to go, and you can watch the animated tutorial. There's also a help option that if you're having an issue, technology issue or a curriculum issue, something's missing, just go there. So let's also take a look at any communication. If there's a communication, click that button up there. Let's go into one of the courses real quick. So here's Algebra 1. Any welcome messages with important information will be highlighted at the top. Be sure to read that, because that will be very helpful. Going into one of the assignments, you see there's course resources. The pacing guide is there, and the expectation is to spend anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes a day in each course, and supposed to kind of be doing one lesson a day is the idea. Kind of ideal pacing where you're not overloaded or doing too little. Having your own planner is a really good idea, but not 100% necessary. The tasks portion is, or the to-do list portion is kind of gives you an idea what's up next, when things are due. Back to the lessons, you're going to want to make sure you do things in order, because that's the way the teacher thinks is best. And there are all sorts of different types of materials in there, and again the tutorials will show you what to do and how to do them, and clear up any misunderstanding that you may have along the way. And again, those materials are discussed in those tutorials. There's in each assignment, each portion, there's a note-taking option, which is a great way to keep track of important things. You can also put in-text notes to help you keep track of things, or just a pencil and paper, pen and paper, to take notes outside of the program as you work through the course. When it's time for an assessment, think of assessments as just anything that you're going to get graded on. It can be a paper, it can be a quiz, it can be a project. Sometimes you have to upload a picture, sometimes you have to speak into it. Make sure you kind of create a daily schedule and work in some time to get some energy out as well, to keep the blood flowing. If you have to email your teacher, up there at the top is a button that allows you to do so, and there's tutorials about that as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.